Good day viewers, here is a video on how to perform better in your academics. So I am Abayomi, a learning mentor, a teacher and also a founder of Prime Educational Network. And Prime Educational Network is a platform, is an educational institute which guides students or which provide guidance to students and tutorials for students both online and offline. So let's start on how to perform better in your academics. So overview. The first point is the capabilities of the brain, the time management, good study habits. Your teacher cannot teach you everything. Sleep is very important for proper learning to take place. So let's look at the first point, which is the capabilities of the brain. How you assimilate and how you learn as an individual is different as everyone else. So what I will say about that is that human beings around the world has different the same structure of the brain, and as a result of that how we encode knowledge into our brain and how we learn is the same as everyone else. So there is no thing there's nothing like, oh, this is the way I learn better, or some, though there are individual differences, but there are key there are key things for someone to there are key things to be taken into consideration for someone to be able to learn as an individual, and it is universal from one individual to another. So you can only learn from the known to unknown. Yeah, you can learn something new from what you've known before. That is why majority of people make take majority of people find it very difficult to learn a particular thing if they've not known something about that thing before. It will be very difficult unless you've learned something about it before, you have a foundational knowledge of it. That is when you can be able to learn something new better. So thus there is nothing difficult to learn as long as you have a foundational knowledge of what you want to learn. So there is actually nothing difficult to learn. Maths, be it statistics, be it economics, be it chemistry, physics, biology, anything. So far you have a foundational knowledge, you build on those knowledge for you to learn more things. So to learn anything from a written text, maximum concentration is required. You cannot get anything from a book without having a concentration. You must concentrate. That is why it is not advisable for students to listen to music while reading, because their mind is actually divided. Part, part of their mind is concentrating on the music, and another part of their mind is reading the book at the same time. You have to give your book a full concentration for you to be able to learn better. So the next thing is time management. Proper planning is necessary for you to be able to perform better in your academics. You have to plan. You have to plan your time. You have to read way before your exams. Read way before your exams. Plan your time and set your to-do list from most important to least important. Okay, you have 24 hours in a day. Start with what's important to the least important. It is after you've done everything you need to do, you've read, that is when you can come back and do anything you want to do. And you can combine different activities together as long as you assign different activities and stick to it. Assign time to different activities and stick to it. You can combine actually anything together. So far, you you've planned your day, you've set your to-do lists, and you stick to them. Guide. So the next point is your teacher can't teach you everything. Oftentimes, students tend to believe that for them to know or understand a particular subject or course, the attention of the teacher is needed. At the same time, students tend to also believe that at any point in time, the teacher is in a better position to introduce a concept to them. Hence, without their presence of the teacher, they cannot learn anything. What I'm trying to what I'm trying to say here is that oftentimes students believe that it is the teacher that is meant to introduce a particular concept to them in any of the subjects they are offering in school. You can as well go pick up the book yourself and read it and understand. You might even understand more when you read it on your own rather than listening to your teacher per se. I'm not saying you should not listen to your teacher, but there are times that you have to just pick up the book and read it on your own after you've listened to your teacher, because that is when I can say the information can really stick. So the next point is sleep is very important for proper learning to take place. Now, good sleep improves concentration and productivity. Like I said, you can't learn anything without concentration. You have to concentrate. You have to give your full concentration on whatever you are reading. So for you to get that concentration, at times you might have not slept for for quite period of time and you want to read. You cannot concentrate. Your body needs rest. You need to sleep first, then wake up, then you'll be productive and you get maximum concentration. So sleep helps the students to retrieve information fast when needed. Like I said, when you sleep and wake up after reading, you tend to remember most of the information you've read. You tend to remember more than when you didn't sleep at all and you just read and you went for an exam or test or something. So sleep is very important for you to pass an exam, and it is a key factor for academic excellence. Sleep is as important as studying itself. Like they are complements of each other. As you are studying, you sleep at the same time. As you are studying, you sleep at the same time, because it is at that time the memory you've acquired consolidates and stores in a long-term memory. So without sleeping, the pieces are scattered in your brain and there's no how to like bring them together. So sleep is very important, and students need at least 8 hours of sleep. Before you sleep, you need at least 8 hours of sleep for you to be able to achieve whatever you want to achieve. So thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this video.